Hello friends, my name is Masood. Today we shall discuss about topic cloud computing. Friend, today's topic is very interesting and we have taken this topic from the concepts of computer science. So I hope you like this video. So first of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my videos can reach to you. So let's start. Cloud computing. If you just see the term the cloud computing, so that means something calculation which is based on cloud. Now actually what does it mean? Basically means computing means that software or hardware, it is basically you can refer it to the software or hardware from computing term. From cloud means remote, actually something which is remote, like okay. So basically cloud computing means these services or software or hardware is basically based on remote and you are using it remotely actually. So this is basically the terminology concept here. Cloud computing means software and hardware which is reside remotely and you are using it whenever you required. So that is the main concept of, in general, you can say a very simple or general concept is that is the concept of cloud computing. Now cloud computing is on demand delivery of IT resources through the internet with the pay to use charges actually. In general, instead of buying and maintaining computer products and services, you may pay to use a cloud computing services. It saves your time, effort and cost of doing it by yourself. Basically friend, what happened, initially there was a concept of on premises concept is that you have to install all the hardware in your premises, in your offices, and you have to hire the resources, you have to hire you have to buy the equipment, you have to buy the human resource, you have to hire the human resources as well who will look into the services, who will look into the hardware, software, and also you have to pay the electricity bills, you have to pay the so many things. Due to that reason, nowadays there is a concept of on demand or basically SaaS concept, basically cloud computing concept is that is like all the things like hardware, software, the maintenance of database, all those things are remotely managed by some vendor and you are just using those services whenever and wherever it is required, and whatever you use the whenever you use the service you pay it accordingly. For example, you use the service for only 1 month, so you pay it for only 1 month. If you use the service for 2 months, so you pay for only 2 months. This is not the case that for example you have that you have used only 2 months and you have to pay for 5 months actually. This is not the case. If you whatever the uses are there, you have to pay it accordingly. Okay, so this is the main concept of cloud computing. So cloud computing models are there. First one is the SaaS model, software as a service. Then second one is the platform as a service and infrastructure. Then the third one is the infrastructure as a service. Basically these three formats, these three models, both are the types of cloud computing. So software as a service means that you are offering the software services. For example, you can say many services are nowadays available, like food based applications are there which you are using. Platform as a service, that means you are providing infrastructure as a remotely. Okay, so this is the concept of platform. And then infrastructure as a service, that means you are infrastructure, that is the foundation on which services are built. So this is the third type. So software as a service means that you are providing software services. Platform as a services mean that you are providing platform services offered under the infrastructure, or infrastructure as a service, the IaaS, means that you are providing the infrastructure or hardware based solutions actually. Now why you should use the cloud computing? Friend, cloud services are on demand, which means you can access the services anywhere, anytime, wherever you need it. You don't need to purchase computer, rent office space, hire the staff. Various models of cloud services offer one or all of those options. Since you only pay for what you want and what you want is accessible anywhere, you can increase or decrease the scope of your project or the intensity of your work as per your need and as per your requirement. Where to access the cloud computing? Friend, nowadays very popular platforms are nowadays available. For example, Amazon Web Services, AWS, which is very popular, then the Google Cloud Platform, GCP, and then the Microsoft Azure. So these three platforms are nowadays very popular. The services you choose will depend on the scale of your business, how much you have business. your business structure and availability, and then how much of the work you want to outsource and you provide it on the cloud computing servers actually. Now so now the what's next, basically friend, whatever you have learned from this video, please try to assess your goals, what actually you want to achieve and which computing model, cloud computing model is suitable for you. Then research cloud computing services model and decide it accordingly, and take advantage of all though that cloud computing has to offer you, and then decide and proceed accordingly. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you friends.